Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I'm going to try and repair this fender here. You can see it's pretty rotted. So I picked up this patch panel. I think they're about 30 bucks. Up here in Canada, probably $1.50 to Americans. And it just kind of is going to slip up here and cover most of this damage. But we are going to have to do a patch up here. I'll probably pull that out from in here somewhere, move it up there, and then we'll do the full patch. Now, as far as the bolts go, there's some up in here that follow along. I'll show you once I get the fender off, it'll be easier to see. But the two buggers is right up in here. There's a 9/16 here and then a 1/2 inch up even further. And I'll be damned if I can get a ratchet on them. So I had to wrench them off. I'll show you the condition of this stuff here. You can see they're all pretty rusty and crusty, and yeah, a couple of them just didn't come off at all. In fact, I had to grind the head of one off. I haven't done these ones yet. I'll do those now. And then down here, this guy in the back here was a 9/16, so I got that guy off as well. I'll pop off that cowl piece next, and then we'll go ahead and get the rest of it. I believe it's just 9/16. I actually just picked up this Milwaukee, what do they call it, a 90 degree impact. Pretty good. As long as it don't break anything off. It seems awful powerful. Okay, so that's actually going to be a 1/2 inch. Grab my ratchet. It should be. You'll want to watch for here somewhere. For your shims up here too. I noticed this one here's got a couple, at least one in there. We pop the door open. You can see the last two. So we got one in here. Actually just picked up this Milwaukee, what do they call it, a 90 degree impact. Pretty good. There's that guy. As long as it don't break anything off. It seems awful powerful. Here, the last guy. So yeah, it's just before. I want to watch your shims up here. Pop right off of them. I noticed this one here. I'll just leave that one in there. I think it's the only one that's pop the door open. Look at that bright yellow. You see the last two. So we got one in here. This truck used to be a those cars highways truck here in Alberta. It's kind of neat. I think so. Anyway, not everybody does, but I like it. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, I'll take you guys over and show you the holes I was talking about. So if you can imagine, this guy up here, that's that 9/16 bolt. Let me be this guy here. Set this up. This guy there goes in there. And then up front here is one of these little 1/2-inch guys. You can see how tight. Take you guys over and show you. This is rounded over. The holes I was talking about. She's a tighty. So if you can imagine, in a good way. This guy up here. So, and then you got all these bolts here. You can see that didn't play nice. That didn't play nice. That's when I was just grinding off. This guy here. This guy there goes down here. That guy's not there. That guy's not there. And then up front here, so I'll have to grind off the back of this. Put a nut bolt there, maybe. And then this is rounded guy. Same as this. She's a tighty. Not in a good way. Across the top, these were okay. So, and then you got all these bolts here. Nice. This guy did not. That didn't play nice. That didn't play nice. That's when I was just grinding off. Head off. Down here, that guy's not there. That guy's not there. There's this guy. So yeah, I'll have to grind off the back of this, put a nut and bolt there, maybe. I don't know where that just came from. Guy. Same as this, I'll cut that off too. I'll have to figure it out though. Across the top, these were okay. Well, figure that came out nice. This guy did not. You can see, yeah, he's still in there. And over here on the fender, let's take a look at the back of it. And down here is this guy. I do get some rot down there. I don't think it's nothing I can't live with though. I don't know where that just came from. I know it's not ideal, but I'll have to figure it out though. Clearly there's a bolt on there. You know, you can't restore. We'll figure that out. I'm not too worried about it. That's kind of where I'm at with this one. I just want to fix it up, right? So, and over here on the fender, I'm gonna get this set up, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so this is the plan. I have this for my patch material. I picked up at the local CMS, maybe. I'm not too sure where that one come from. Might be it. This might be a Rock Auto one, actually. At any rate, let me grab a marker. I want to mark that up where we want to cut it, all that good stuff. This is gonna just sit right up in here, right across there. Mark that in here, down across, and up and over. And of course, first problem is, hey man, what about that? Yeah, no, I know. For sure. So I'm thinking we'll get that out of here somewhere, right? We'll toss it up there, and then we'll weld our patch in. We all on the same page? That look good to everyone? I don't know. Here's what I know. This is like a $30 patch or something. And about a $300 fender, $350 by the time it's shipped to you. So I think I want to give it a go. Have I ever done it before? Nope. Is it going to be mint? Probably not. Will we give it a go and see what happens? Hey, why not? If you're watching this video, chances are you're probably in the same boat as me. So let me give it a go, and we'll see if it works or not. Let me grab myself a grinder. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm going to throw a little filler on here. This is pretty much it. I also went and back welded it. You see it in there. Just felt with grinding off as much weld as I was that not going to hurt anything by throwing some extra weld back there. So anyway, I'm going to throw a little short strand reinforced fiberglass filler on here, and we'll get it ready for the next stage. Okay, so I put a splash of filler over the weld here, and up and over. I just threw on a little bit of primer, just one coat. Clearly it's not going to be enough, and clearly the body work isn't complete. I just want to get it good enough to throw it back onto the truck, and we'll take care of, you know, the final body work when we do the body work for the rest of the truck. What I did want to get is the panel on. It's on. Wanted to get some filler in there. It's in there. And wanted to get some primer on it just to protect it. And we got that as well. So I think we do have to take care of some of this stuff yet. See, those bolts are broken in there. So I'll get the grinder. I'll knock those off, figure out what I'm going to do, whether I weld nuts on there or put some speed nuts on there. We'll take care of that. Down under the door, we just did a little bit of filler work down there, nothing spectacular, and then we patched up the corners of the doors as well, or the one door anyway. So we'll get all this put back together. Maybe I'll bring you back and I'll show you what we end up doing here, because that might be good for someone else too. I haven't figured it out yet, but I will. Hang tight. All right, so we got our slap back on. I don't know, we're a $35 repair. I'm pretty happy with it. Highly recommend. We got her on there. I don't know about what's going on with that gap there, but it is what it is. I don't think it was great to begin with. So yeah, she's coming along. Project's getting there. That fender's done. We just kind of touched up the corners of the doors there, and did a little repair on the rocker there as well. None of that stuff was really worthy of video. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this one. So there's your repaired fender. If you remember before, the hole went up to about here. We put a patch in there, and then we replaced that whole panel down below with those panels you can get from Rock Auto or whatever. All right, so that wraps up another one. We'll be back.